Hey friends, I have been sharing my wig and hair loss journey with you guys for almost 6 years. I really can't believe it's been this long, and I have built so many wonderful relationships with my wig sister community, and I'm just so grateful for all of you. A question I get asked all the time is, what do I use for my makeup? What do I use for my skincare? And I'm just horrible about sharing this stuff with you guys. It's just not my comfort zone. I'm not here to be a beauty influencer. I'm really not. This is all such a great blessing, but difficult. But today, I'm gonna share with you my favorite skincare products. They're from Bambu Earth. I have shared them before. They're a wonderful company. I'll tell you a little bit more about them, but they are having their biggest sale of the year once a year. Their most expensive product, I think it's their most expensive product, this Cactus Concentrate. It is absolutely incredible. Goes on sale, and I'm here to tell you all about it. I can save you 10% off, plus you can get one of these for free. That's a $160 value. If you want to know more about these products and why I love them, stick around. Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am so grateful to be a part of this wig wearing and hair loss community. I wouldn't have been able to say that 7 years ago, but I have learned over the years that our shared experiences really bring us together in such a wonderful way. And I'm so grateful for so many of you who have been so supportive of me, who have encouraged me, who've prayed for me, and I just want to do the same for you. And I'm making this video because I do get asked all the time to share my products that I love. And I got to tell you, I find out about products through the people that I follow who are willing to put themselves out there and share them. I never want you to feel like all I'm trying to do is sell you something. That's not at all what I'm about. I really am just here to help. And if something I share resonates with you or may be useful to you, that is awesome, but not everything everybody loves is loved by others. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there because I do get a little uncomfortable about how I come across in these videos, and it really is not about making money for me. It never has been, and I pray to the Lord that it never will be, that I'm always able to just give of my time and my resources to be a part of this wonderful community. Okay, enough of the disclaimers. The reason I am here today is because I have been using these Bambu Earth products for, I think, about 6 months. I shared them a while back because I just love everything about what this company stands for. I love that their products are all natural, that they partner exclusively with ethical producers, that everything that they do is good for us. It's good for the animals, it's good for the earth, and it's actually good for the farmers and producers who produce the products that they use. It's just really a great chance to support a company that I think is doing all the right things. And I love that they have a Bible verse on every one of their products. So for example, this is their rosemary toner, and this one says, "For the Lord sees not as man sees. Man looks on the outward appearance, but the Lord looks on the heart." And that's 1 Samuel 16:7. So just really aligns with the things that are important to me and maybe some of you. But even if you don't care about the Bible verses on the bottles, the fact that they use all natural ingredients, never any harsh detergents or chemicals, can really make a difference, as I think all of us are starting to look at ways that we can consume things that are better for our bodies. You know, there's so much chronic illness. I have a number of autoimmune conditions, and so over the years I've really tried to clean up my diet, and I'm slowly trying to clean up the products that I use on my body as well. I've never been one to use really expensive products. As a matter of fact, until I came to wigs, I didn't spend a whole lot of money on my appearance, and wigs really shook up my world, as I'm sure they shook up your world, because of how expensive they can be. And by the way, this is a wig. If you're new to my channel and you're just finding me because you're maybe looking up Bambu Earth and some reviews of their products, I wear wigs full time. I suffer from hair loss and have for, well, since my 20s, and I'm 52. And so I love sharing wonderful hair that can make a huge difference. This is 𝘸𝘦 from In Vogue Concepts by Kirsten. I have a lot of information about 𝘸𝘦 out there. It's one of my favorite all-time wigs, and a coupon code. I'll put some details in the description in case you're curious and want to check out 𝘸𝘦. So let's talk about the big sale that Bambu Earth is having. This is their once-a-year sale on their, what I consider, I didn't double check it, but I think this is the most expensive product that they carry. This is their Cactus Concentrate. It is a hydrating serum that emulsifies into kind of an oil-like texture, and it is absolutely incredible. It has made the biggest difference in my skin. I actually think all of these products. So let's talk about this product in particular. You know, I really do use almost all of their products. I'm in need of another one of these. I also use they have another cleansing product, their rose water cleanser. This is a really gentle, light cleanser. So let's say it's a day that I wasn't really wearing makeup, I might only use this. I do pair this with this, especially when I wear a lot of makeup. They have a great toner. It's their rosemary toner. And something to be aware of with these products, they really are all natural. If you have never used all natural products before, they can take some getting used to. The scent, this actually smells like rosemary to me. The scent can take some getting used to. They use no artificial fragrances. So when I first started using these products, especially this cleansing oil, I was just a little taken aback by the smell of it, but I got it on my nose. Over time, I've really gotten used to it, and I actually like the all-natural smell of these products now, but I wanted to put that warning out there because I was a little surprised. So I really do use all of their products every day. But let's talk about this Cactus Concentrate, because I have never spent this much money on a product for my face. Maybe I should have as I get older, but I was shocked by how well this stuff works. So let's talk about Cactus Concentrate. First of all, and maybe I'll put a little screenshot up here right now. On the product page, what's really cool about this is that you can get a lot of information about every product. So on each page, it tells us what the ingredients are, all of the ingredients. It tells us how to use the product. So there are instructions for each product. And it also tells us, I've got in my notes here, instructions for how to use. It also talks about how it feels, how it smells, which I think is super helpful, and what skin types it's best for. The ingredients, which, you guys, I mean, these are like the best ingredients you can ever imagine. It has prickly pear seed oil. It's got a product called 𝘠𝑚uru. I've never heard of it before, but it's a butter that is a lot like coconut oil, and it's the white fat found in the nuts of a palm tree. Organic, raw, fair trade shea butter, mango butter, kukui nut oil, which helps in wound healing, organic cold pressed tamanu oil, anti-inflammatory. Like, all of these products have a real purpose, and they're all natural, which I just think is so incredible. Let's talk about the sale. So this is their once-a-year sale, again, on their Cactus Concentrate, which is the most expensive product that they carry. This retails for $160. It's very, very expensive, but a little goes such a long way. Like, I do not need to use much of this at all to really get the benefit of it, and just, you know, I emulsify it, and then I just rub it. I'll put a little bit. Even though I have makeup on, it's just so, I mean, it just feels amazing. It just softens my skin. It gives it a dewy glow. It's just incredible. So it will last you a very, very, very long time, but it's $160. If you purchase $200 worth of products, you will get this for free. If that's too much for you and you don't even know if you'll like it, if you spend $50, then you will get their mini size Cactus Concentrate. It's normally $28. We'll give you a chance to try it and see if it's worth spending money on the full size. And I can save you 10% off of your purchase. So not only will you get the product, but you'll get 10% off your entire purchase. So if you're in the market for clean skincare and you want to support a company that puts Bible verses on their products and that really is doing great things for us women, check them out. I'll put some details. Whenever I can save you money, I will absolutely do that. I often reach out to companies whose products I'm trying or using. If I discover I love them, I reach out and ask if they work with creators. And I mean, that's how I started to share these Ellie and Grace shirts, because I had been purchasing their shirts for 2 years, I think, and I just loved them, and I was always getting asked about them. So I reached out and just asked them if they worked with creators and if they would be willing to give me a discount code to share. And they said yes, about 1.5 years after I first reached out to them. But that's kind of how I get to working with some of these companies. I try their products first, and then I see if I can save my sisters some money. That's it. That's all I have for you today. Let me know if you've tried their products and what you think. And if you have questions, I'm happy to answer them. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.